It's unboxing time. I went a little crazy because Eloquii had a great sale and, well, I went a little crazy. Eloquii had a bomb sale, and I have some things coming up that I need to prepare for. Actually some content and some photo shoots that I'm putting together. So I got some pieces of me. All the pieces of me. Oh my God, I'm hyped. Fun fact, this is my first purchase ever from Eloquii. And baby, if it gives what I think it's gonna give, it might not be the last. So this is like this little crop blazer situation. And I don't know, like I said, this is my first time ordering. I'm not the best online shopper because, you know, when you plus size, things go from place to place and size to size, and you don't know what to expect. Hold on. Wait a minute. Hey. Oh, y'all see it? Prepare to listen to me. Prepare right now to be sick of me. Okay, Eloquii. Come on, Eloquii. First piece, baby. The quality, the feel of that was everything. First piece out the gate. They might be trying to make me a believer. Let me see. So this is a piece that I saw, and I've been wanting for a while. I saw a couple of brands do something like it, but look. I am so excited, and I pushed myself to get a different color because I was going to get black. And I said, Alicia, I said, now grow. Let me see if I can get my big old head in here. Plus, I got this thing on. I'm not even going to play myself because I love, it's a wash day, so I got a lot going on under here. Pre-pooing, pre-shampooing, and all of that. But, baby, I'm going to have to try that on. But the quality is there. The quality is there. Let me see. What's this? What is it? Numbers and nothing. I remember when you used to throw those things away. Oh, yeah. Okay. Material girl, I want you to know now, boo. Say that because they know the truth. Bustin'. These can't stand me. Okay, I don't know. We gotta see the instructions given on this. We gotta squeeze my up in this. How I look girl. Cute. So this is like a little faux leather, of course. This leather is almost like a faux leather is a different texture than that blazer. This one. Oh. Now I done rubbed this all over me, and it's smelling like Let me just Now Eloquii. We might have to talk, Eloquii, because I don't know. That thing smell like it's time for the percolator. I hope it ain't. I might have to put that back in the wrapper. Gonna funk my house up. Cause when the funk hit the fan. Oh, child, I forgot what I bought. I'm like, what is this? Okay. They had like 2 for $89. Jeans, I believe. I don't own any colored jeans. So I'm excited about this. Oh, because red is my favorite color. One of my favorite colors. It's a little scooted. It's a little, oh, it's one of those like wide legs. Let me step in. It's one of those wide leg situations, but it don't look that flattering like that. So I gotta see. Oh, we got stretch. Okay, we got stretch. Oh, these might be it. Hold on. Wait a minute. Yeah. I got a mirror right there, so that's why I keep looking that way. Yeah, but I like the, it's like, if the color's not picking up, it's like, let me see. You see the lining, and you see the lines, and you see like, it's not like, it looks brighter than it really is. It's almost like a dusty red. Like these was bright red and then you washed them a couple times. Like you could, you know what I'm saying? But I like that. I like it. I like how wide the leg is. I really hope that it fits right up on her. Up in her, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. Okay? I hope it fit right up on her. And then I got the same shirt in 2 different colors and also 2 different sizes. So I hope they both fit. How cute! How cute. Yeah. I like that this is like ribbed. Got a good scratch on it. Yeah. That's cute. And I got it in black as well. What size are you in? Oh, I think you need same size. Let's go. And then I got a different pair of jeans. Cause like I said, they was 2 for $89. I was gonna get the 1, and then they had the 2. So I had to do what I had to do. You know what I mean? 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 So these is just a little light, distressed. I like the hem. Well, not the hem. I guess the bottom, the cut. You know what I'm saying? The back got a light distressing. These look a little big. These look a little big. I don't know what size is these. These look a little big. I'm gonna have to see what those do. Oh, hold on. Wait a minute. Yeah. So, fun fact, I have like this cute thrifted pink blazer, and it ain't my size no more. I had it for you. Oh my God, this is an overcoat. This ain't Eloquii. Y'all gonna have to get the fragrances together. This is thick. Ooh, she thick. She thick, ain't she? Ain't she thick? Oh, yeah. I don't know what you came to do, but I came to praise. Yeah. Okay. It has stretch. Dang, I probably could have went down a size. It has stretch. Oh, these are real pockets. It's like a double-breasted vibe, but it's just, I don't know. It's giving, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Why is the buttons? Was that? I could have. That wasn't it when I was online. The button. Why is the button? Let me see. Hold up. I don't know. Excuse. I don't know. It do got the padded shoulders. Open, of course, it's gonna give. You know what I'm saying? Open, of course, it's gonna give because you could do this with so much. Of course, you could do a little over the shoulder moment. No. You know what I'm saying? You could do a little excuse scale me. You can do a little beat. All right, I gotta be stopped. Yeah, I don't know about her. I don't know about you. As you can see, there are certain songs that stay in my brain. Oh my God. Come on. Come on. Come on. Wait a minute, 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 yeah. I said it, yeah. This is gorgeous. This is beautiful. This is a shawl. And when you're a big girl and the big companies try to come with them thin scarves, what is it holding? What is it warming? What is it protecting at night? This is what we want. This is what I want to see from you. This is what we want. This is what we need. If you sell plus size, especially if you're exclusively a plus size boutique store brand, don't come with the skimpy scarves. This thing about thicker than me. That thing about water than me. That thing about thicker than me. It's water than me. Hey. Oh, what's old girl that be rocking the scarves and stuff? Yeah. Oh, you see it. Come on. Yeah. Okay, I gotta stop yelling. That don't even make no sense. Why am I yelling? It's like 10 o'clock at night. I'm gonna stop yelling. I'm probably not gonna stop yelling. Because this next piece, if it do what I needed to do, how I wanted to do, and when I tell y'all the price, y'all gonna tell me to keep yelling. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not gonna make no promises. I'm not gonna make no promises I can't keep. Oh, in a piece that there is a stone. The piece that there is a stone. I hold this one. Okay, that ain't got no stank on it. Okay, I like that already. I like it. Picasso. Come on. Come on. Shake your body. Move your body. Don't hurt nobody. Come on. Come on. Okay. First of all, baby, quality is what the Q and Eloquii must stand for. It must stand for quality. Cause baby, one thing about me, this thing is nuts. Come on. Wait a minute. This thing is nice. It's giving Jack the Ripper. Yeah, it's giving. Come on. Yeah. And I love the length of the belt, the tie around belt. Because I hate, once again, plus size businesses, PSA, please stop making plus size coats with regular size belts. Stop. Whether it's the one with the regular belt and the thing going in and latch like that, and all I got is this much belt hanging out the side, this much belt. Don't nobody want that. If I want a tie belt, look how long that is. If I want a tie belt, tie bow, I want it to go how I need it to go. I might be able to, bam. You see what I'm saying? Okay. So this is like an open coat vibe. This is not like a, you know what I'm saying? Oh, now don't pay the collar no mind, because I don't know what exactly it's doing. Don't pay the collar no mind. It's fresh out the box. Stop looking, watch, ready yet, get set. It's all that, okay? So don't pay the box no mind. I mean, don't pay the collar no mind. Because it's, you know, it's working itself through some things. But don't go chasing. Man, I miss my Uncle Charles, y'all. I swear to God, these are the things that's coming to my head. And I'm saying them out loud. And I'm cracking myself up. If there ain't nobody else laughing, baby, trust me, I am. Okay. Yeah. Eloquii, baby. I'll be back.